Hi there, I'm Valeri Hall-Little from Built to Soar. Spring has sprung, and as the weather changes, you may be joining the throngs of others who instinctively start to clean and organize and declutter their surroundings. Now, while the idea of spring cleaning typically refers to your home, I invite you to consider how you'll do the same for your business. In this 3-part series, let's spring clean your business and remove those tasks that are cluttering up your workload. Instead of vacuuming and dusting, we are going to do it through the power of automation. First, let's remove the time-consuming task of scheduling appointments, meetings, and sales calls. Have you been curious about online scheduling tools, but maybe you've resisted because you're not clear really how it might benefit your business? Or maybe you feel that having that type of automation will take away the personal touch. Well, it is natural to feel that way whenever you use technology to replace a human face or voice. Many of my clients felt the exact same way before I showed them how an online scheduler could actually help rather than hurt their business. There's no doubt an online scheduler will save you time and energy. I recently read a survey that said businesses spend at least 5 hours a week scheduling meetings. That is 6 weeks a year for the simple task of figuring out a good time to meet. Well, here are 3 ways that you can use an online scheduler to free up those 5 hours a week that you may be using for scheduling. Number 1 is to automate booking meetings. Use an online scheduler when someone wants to book a meeting with you. Now, that could be a prospect, a client, a colleague. Rather than doing the email dance, you know that dance where you each randomly throw out times and see if something sticks? With an online scheduler, they can pick a date and a time that's convenient for them based on your availability. Number 2 is to automate meeting reminders. What I love most about online schedulers is the ability to set and forget meeting reminders. For every meeting booked, the person on the other end gets a friendly reminder from you the day before. I have peace of mind knowing they have all the details to show up promptly so we can get down to business. Number 3 is to automate rescheduling meetings. Before my online scheduler became a staple in my business, I spent countless time, money, and energy into rescheduling meetings. That back and forth of emails caused so many delays and frustration on both my and the other person's part. Instead, to reschedule their meeting now, they simply go to the appointment in their calendar, click the reschedule this meeting link in the appointment details, and they'll see my availability. No more waiting for a response from me that may cause frustrating delays. So automating your scheduling is definitely a win-win situation all around. If you want to discover more ways you can declutter your to-do list by automating away the busy work, join my upcoming Automate Your Business Bootcamp. The link with all the details is below. That is your next step to designing your business so it's built to soar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.